Check it out. It's 25 degrees outside, about to go on a run. No excuses here. Don't have enough time to go to the gym. Today's my day for cardio, so we're just gonna run outside. You gotta dress for the occasion. Check out the steam that was coming off of me after the run. I was able to get some sunshine, even though it was really cold because I was so hot from the run. And real quick, before I continue the video, make sure to check out in the description box, I just came out with a plant-based recipe ebook called the Ultimate Plant-Based Meal Plan. So if you want some really good plant-based recipes, make sure to check out that book. A link is in the description box. So I started off today with a smoothie, and this had a cup of coconut water, it had a cup of almond milk, and it had a few handfuls of frozen strawberries. It had a scoop of the Marcus Roscrans Green Pro C mix. It's a green powder. It had some cacao powder, a couple tablespoons of ground flax seeds, a little bit of cinnamon, and about a tablespoon or so of peanut butter. And also had 4 frozen bananas that I had soaked in hot water for a few minutes to soften them up. And that made just about a liter. So super delicious, really satisfying, good way to start the day with a smoothie. Then a little later on, I had gone to a coffee shop and had a little treat. Got some oat milk hot chocolate. And then about a couple hours after that, I was back home and I had a big bowl of pineapple. I'm getting some really good pineapples lately. Then for dinner, I made some homemade veggie chili, a green salad, and some cornbread. I ended up having 2 bowls of the chili and a few pieces of the cornbread, and the green salad had cucumbers, some nuts, avocado, and craisins. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up if you liked the video. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.